Hello, kindergarten, and welcome back to Phonics Time with Miss Corey and Mabel. We're so excited because today we get to learn some new snap words. And these snap words are going to help us to write even more words. So we've been working for a long time with using words to help us spell other words. So using words we know to spell new words. Okay, so now it's time for us to learn some new magic words that are going to help us to write more words. So these words are a little longer, but they're going to help us write more words because the word part's in them. So let us think, what words could these be? Let's get our wand out and say, abracadabra. Let us get new snap words. Abracadabra. So our new snap words are going to be all, had, ball, and will. So these are going to be our 4 new snap words, okay? And as we learn these snap words, we're going to be really looking and finding the word part in these words to help us spell and come up with even more words. So here we go. We're going to start with our first word, all, okay? So when we learn a new snap word, what do we do? What do we do in order to learn it? We need to read it. So here we go. All. All. Now we need to study it. How many letters are in all? 3. Very good. What are the, how many tall letters are there? 2 tall letters. And how many short letters? 1 short letter. How many vowels? 1 vowel. How many consonants? 2 consonants. Okay, now we are ready to spell it. Give me an A. Give me an L. Give me another L. What's that spell? All. What's that spell? All. Very good. Okay, let's write it. Can you write it by yourself? A, L, L. Very good. Write it in the air. A, L, L. Very good. Who can use all in a sentence? Who can use all in a sentence? I'll go first. I have all kinds of books at home. Have you eaten all of the ice cream? Very good. Tell your parents your sentence using the word all. Great job. The next part we're going to add to is normally we'd be done. But we're going to get to now use word parts to start to spell new words with this word. So our word is all. All is just that, a word part. A-L-L, okay? We can put letters or blends in front of all to create new words. Who thinks they can come up with a word inside, or a word that you can create with all? Yeah, I heard so many good ones. The first one I want to talk about is our other sight word, ball. Okay, ball is spelled like all, but with a B in front of it. B-all, ball. Who else came up with another one? I also heard all. What's another one? What's the one with a blend? I heard small. Okay, maybe even stall or tall. Very good. So if we notice, all of these words have the word all at the end. We just added a new letters to the beginning. Very good, kindergarten. Okay, so now we've learned 2 snap words because is ball basically all, but with a B in the front? Yeah. Okay, it's your turn now. we're going to do the same process to learn our other two words. Our next word we're going to do is will. So let's read it. Here we go. Will. Will. How many letters are in will? 4 letters. How many consonants? 3 consonants. How many vowels? 1 vowel. How many tall letters? 2 letters. And how many short letters? 2. Very good. Okay, let's spell it. Give me a W. W. Give me an I. Give me an L. Give me another L. What's that spell? Will. What's that spell? Will. Very good. W-I-L-L. And is it very similar to all? Yeah, we just changed the vowel. Okay, so what do we think? Oh, I skipped ahead. Who can come up with, let's write it. W, I, L, L in the air. W, I, L, L. And you can practice writing it a few times. What Miss Corey wanted to do earlier was, what is that word part in will? What is that word part? Our word part is just going to be ill, okay? And the what at the beginning is what will change. So our word part is ill, and I'm going to write it a few times so we can come up with a few words using ill. Who can come up with a word with will? Bill. Fill. Grill. Grr, that has a blend. Very good. Till. And oh, I spill. Another blend. Very good. So just like with all and ball, will we can use to spell more words. Okay, we have one more word to learn. And our last word is had. Very good. Had. Let's read it. Had. Had. Okay, let's talk about the letters. How many letters are there? 3. How many vowels? 1. How many consonants? 2. And all the letters are different. How many tall letters? 2. And how many small letters? 1. Let's spell it. Give me an H. Give me an A. Give me a D. What's that spell? Had. What's that spell? Had. H-A-D. Had. H-A-D. Had. Okay, let's write it. H-A-D. Had. Let's write it again. H-A-D. Had. Very good. Who can think of a sentence with the word had in it? I had breakfast today. I had lost 1 tooth. Okay, I hope you had fun coming up with your sentence. Now, what's our word part in this to help us spell more words? Who can think of the word part in had to help us spell more words? You're right, it's gonna be A-D. Okay, and I'm gonna write A-D a few times so that we can spell some words with add. Okay. Who can think of a word that spells bad? Very good. Fad. Mad. Clad. Clad for a blend. Another blend could be, I know Miss Corey's thinking too, Brad, like Bradley. Very good. Okay, so we have learned our 4 snap words. Okay, our 4 new snap words. Your job at home will be to practice these words, saying them, spelling them, making them. Your other job will be to do just what I did, where you're going to come up with 4 words that you can spell using the word parts from our snap words. So using the word parts, ill, all, and add. Okay, so that will be your job. Okay, there's going to be one last thing Miss Corey wants to do and Mabel wants to do before we go away. Is Miss Mabel, she came up with a poem using our magic and using our new snap words. So we would like to read it together. Okay, and I'm actually going to bring it on our other board so that I can show it to you closer. Okay, so it's Mabel's magic snap words. Okay, she wants to read it. Okay, so we are going to finish by reading these snap words, okay? So here we go. It says, frawl, frawl, frawly, frill, frill, frilly, frad, frad, fratty, adieu. Skull, skull, scully, skill, skill, skilly, scad, scad, scatty, adieu. Frawl, frawl, frawly, skill, skill, skilly, chad, chad, chatty, adieu. Let's read it one more time all together. Frawl, frawl, frawly, frill, frill, frilly, frad, frad, fratty, adieu. Skull, skull, scully, skill, skill, skilly, scad, scad, scatty, adieu. Frawl, frawl, frawly, skill, skill, skilly, chad, chad, chatty, adieu. We hope you had fun reading all these new snap words with us and have fun making those new words. We'll see you tomorrow.